ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಶೀಸು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ Pandanus. This Pandanus I got from my mentor David Nagel in Pondicherry. About 10 years back he gave it to me. And it's a very nice species. It is extremely hardy, but actually it likes, if you want good performance, you have to put it in a little bit stream side, riverine, wet places, moist places with a good deal of sunlight, full sunlight also, but it needs a moist place. And then this one little bit we neglected for many years. It's about 15 years old. And then these roots, onchuru shabda madbeda ira, they are like borewells, a borewell drilling machine. So it comes like this. And then it will penetrate into the earth like this, you can see here. ಇದೊಂಚೂರು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡು ಬಾ. ಇದು ನೋಡು, ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಡ್ರಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನು, ಆ ಥರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಒಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂಚೂರು ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡು, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. And this plant is capable of surviving in semi-submerged areas. That's why these aerial roots can come. If it is for long periods of time underwater, this section, then the aerial roots can start breathing, and it's very good for regreening these streams. I hardly saw them around Bangalore because that root net creates a very nice habitat for crabs, little fish, shrimps and all to breed, and also little tortoises. When the water is flowing amidst these roots, there's a thick mesh of leaves that roots will come, and that traps sediment and all and creates the niche. And also I have seen in pots and all it does quite well. In these resorts and such places they keep it in pots, and it doesn't require much maintenance. And if there is not much earth and all, if it's a pot, it will not grow very fast. So that's a little bit about one Pandanus.